we have bought a Nissan 350Z. I made a bid on this, had a notification, you have won a 350Z. The price of it is £2,600 after fees and everything. There's marks on the car, few scuffs or that stone chip, few dings here, over here. This is the damage, the bumper is missing. So I believe if I can source the rear bumper of this car, you just stick the bumper on and that's it. This is the 350Z bumper that we got from a scrapyard for about £60. We're looking for a red colour 350Z bumper, but we couldn't find the colour because it's such a rare colour. Even if the job doesn't come out properly, we're going to give it a try. So we decided to take the lights off from our rear bumper, so it just makes it more easier to sand the bumper down. Let's carry it on. So rubbing the alcohol all across the bumper. Now we're going to start applying it on affected areas. Deep scratches here. The high cut perfect finish primer, so that's the first one that's going to go down the bumper after we sand it down. We move on to the colour, which is WLW Auto Paints. For people, this is the code if you wanted to get it. We'll see how the paint looks like, and then finally it is a clear coat lacquer. So that's how it looks right now, the bumper so far. If you guys can see that clear, but there was a lot of patches, there was a lot of mess. But now what we're going to be doing now is wet sanding over what we already did with 150 grit to make it smoother. We go to 600 grit now, wet sanding. If you can see, we've done a little bit here. It's just going to smooth everything out. So when we used the 180 grit, it filed down the affected areas where we needed putty, but it left a lot of scratch marks. So we used 600 grit to go over it. We smoothed it down a lot more. What we discovered is when we use the water and the spray, you can actually feel how smooth it is. Okay, here, right here, I can actually feel a bump here. You can't see it, but I can feel it with water, so that's going to need a bit of gritting. That's a lot smoother now. Still needs a bit more, but it's a lot smoother. So that's the process of the job. This is now fourth layer. You guys can see that. It's looking a lot better than when we first started the first layer. Maybe with a lot of patches, but now it's looking more matte grey now. So this is the second coat of the bumper, and that's how it's looking right now. We're going to wait for it to dry. This is how it's temporarily looking. So the spray that we ended up doing was doing it up close. But yeah, wow, that is fantastic, that is. one to spin that. So you get that. Wow, honestly, whoa, that's so cool. So this is on Jack, that's the part. Whoa! And there you are. How sick that looks. That's look great. It's amazing. So basically, you got these ones you got to change. There's one there and one over there as well. See? One of these.